Our third way of transfer of heat is the radiation. Radiation is the process which occurs in the vacuum or in the space because radiation is the process which doesn't require any medium or the particles to transfer the heat. While conduction and convection cannot transfer the heat through the vacuum because process of conduction and convection needs the particles to transfer the heat from one part to another part or means from hotter region towards the cooler region. What is radiation? Actually, the sun, which is found in the space, it gives off energy in the form of the light or infrared radiations, ultraviolet radiations. These all radiations do not require any medium, or they can easily pass through the vacuum or from the space with the help of this process of the radiation. It means radiation transfer energy in the form of the infrared waves which can transfer through a vacuum, mean the space or the place where there are no particles. Anything that is warm gives off infrared radiations, and I have told you infrared radiations are type of the magnetic radiations and which emit easily through the space. And you can observe sometime you have kept the coffee in a cup, and after passing some time you will observe that your coffee has become cool. What happened? The heat has transferred from the hotter object towards the surrounding in the form of the radiations or the waves. This also occurs due to the process of the radiation. There are some important surfaces which are also very important to radiate the heat or to absorb the heat. Some surfaces are better emitters, mean they release the heat better and they absorb the radiations better as compared to the other surfaces. Uh, Dull and the black surfaces are very good emitters, mean they release very good amount of the heat and they are also very good absorber of the radiations. That's why the black and the in the winter we mostly wear the black and the dull color, dark color clothes, so that's we want to keep ourselves warm. And mostly the black fins at the refrigerator are painted black because we want to make our surrounding cool, because we want to make our refrigerators cool, and these black fins release the heat or emit the heat towards the surrounding, and the refrigerator means cool to make your food items cool in the refrigerator. Over here they have shown you that the dull and the black surfaces are very good emitters, mean releaser of the heat and the absorber of the heat. While the shiny or the silvery or the white surfaces are very poor emitters, mean they will not release the heat and they will also not absorb the radiations. That's why mostly in order to keep our things for a longer time, mean you can say hot, our thermoses are painted silver because they will not emit the heat from the hot coffee or the tea, and for the long time your tea or the water remain hot inside the silver surfaces. That's why mostly the tanks which are filled with the fluid are painted in a white or the silvery, so that the heat will not enter from the surrounding and the overall temperature of the fuel remain cool, and in order to avoid any explosion. And mostly in the summer we wear the white and the shiny clothes in order to keep ourselves cool, because these white color of the uniform will not absorb the heat in the form of the radiations which come from the sun. So in this way different surfaces also play a very important role in the process of the heat, in the process of the heat transfer in the form of the radiation. So these are the different examples which I explained you with the help of the different surfaces for the process of the radiation.